MSI GV62 8RD-034 15.6 inches thin and light gaming laptop. Reviewed deal discount unboxing setup. I bought this laptop for my brother since he is going off to college, but he is also a gamer who plays PC games. He has given me all the information for this review. He says the keys felt very weird to actually use for everyday use like typing. Seem to have a lot of resistance, but he is used to a mechanical keyboard. The RAM is very average, especially when you have multiple programs or tabs open in a browser. Can't go crazy in the tabs or else the RAM will reach max capacity quickly. At least the RAM can be upgraded, but doing it yourself will violate the manufacturer warranty. He says 16 GB of RAM would be preferred over the 8. In terms of gaming, it will definitely not be able to run the newest games AAA titles at very high or ultra quality with the GTX 1050 Ti, but it will allow you play at medium maybe. My brother ran a program called 3DMark which is used for benchmarking computers by running simulations testing the CPU and GPU. He said the computer got an overall score of 1910 after updating the GeForce drivers. In the GPU tests, it got an average FPS of 10.84 and the CPU got 12.16 FPS. He found this to be very weird as usually the GPU is better than the CPU in higher-end computers. Also, the overall score is pretty low. A GTX 1080 would score on an average FPS of 44.69. As a quick note, these values are not values taken from actual games. FPS will generally be higher as a GTX 1080 can easily run 60 FPS and higher if not limited by a game. None of the components were overclocked either. USB port count at 3 is lacking for some gamers. If you have a USB headset, a 2 USB keyboard, and a USB mouse, you will not have enough ports. As well as if you want to charge your phone or attach USB printer cords. The speakers on this laptop are located at the end of your computer underneath where your wrists are when typing. They're not really good in quality or loud. As a gamer, you should get headphones anyway to have a better experience. When the laptop came in, it was not updated to the newest version of Windows 10 Home. My brother had to update the OS and drivers for the trackpad. Could not scroll up or down on a web page using 2 fingers on the trackpad. He doesn't consider this a big deal as updating is normal. When he got a desktop from iBuyPower, the computer came fully installed and updated with NVIDIA GeForce Experience and also removed annoying programs like Norton so you didn't get notifications. Speaking of Norton, you get a 60-day free trial with Norton once the computer is activated. Battery life is short when you are playing video games and running at 50% brightness. About 2-3 hours. The cooling system is decent, but it is a bit loud if you are doing quiet work or in a quiet area. If you have noise-canceling headphones, you will be fine. Overall, the computer for the price is good. I may have written a lot of negatives, but this was to tell other consumers what they should expect. When it comes to gaming, you pay for what you get. Laptops seem to be more expensive over desktops. Most brands are the same price except for those extremely overpriced like Alienware or Razer for the same specs. For the price, the computer will do its job. Run video games while also being used for college work. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.